So here we today discuss about coordinate bonds. So coordinate bonds, some properties about discuss coordinate bonds. So covalent bond formed between two atoms. Last time we discussed about covalent bond and types of covalent bond and which one factors are effect on covalent bonds. So we called coordinates bond is also type of covalent bond. Means covalent bond also called as a coordinate bond, means some property inside the covalent bond particular determined as a coordinate bond. So today we discuss about share of electron between same atom. If the covalent bonds are formed, if the covalent bond forms between two same atom and sharing electron are same to either side, so particular bond is called coordinate bonds. Just like example is NH4. So I draw the electron sharing diagram of NH4. So here we discuss. So n electrons here. This is our n electrons, and sharing of electrons is either side of hydrogen, and plus hydrogen. So first of all, these nitrogens have required nitrogens have required 5 complete to be reaction of 5 electrons. So a nitrogen having particular is negative charge and hydrogen have positive charge and here negative. So it will be forms H so this is particular, these electrons this is normally nitrogens have this property is basically donor property have carry nitrogens. So we call donor, and this hydrogen is a particular is accept of electron, so we call acceptor. So we call acceptor. So we will discuss about two it will be forms a particular bond, and this is our particular compound. So here we discuss about nitrogens. So nitrogens is basically donate her electrons, and hydrogen is accept of electron. So we called this particular compound is donor and this particular compound is acceptor. So between donor and acceptor to form bond, so particular bonds we called coordinate bonds. So here we discuss about this particular bonds have formed coordinate bond. So here we discuss some properties about covalent bond. So covalent bonds have some basic property. So first property is covalent bonds are geometric soluble, generally soluble in water and organic compound. Means which compound having formed coordinate bonds having one property is called it is soluble in polar solvent, means organic solvent, and generally soluble in water. But we don't call water is a organic compound. Boiling and melting points are less than electrovalent compound. Which compounds having formed electrovalent bond, then particular compounds have melting and boiling point is slightly higher than the coordinate bonds, but coordinates bonds more stronger than the compound of covalent bond. Got it? So having a different property called, and third property we have compound ionized in aqueous gives simple and complex, and is the compound mixed with aqueous solution. Aqueous solution means which solutions have present the amount of water. So if coordinate compounds are mixed with aqueous solution, then it will be forms ionic complex compound, means forms of ions, which is complex sometimes and simple forms. Simple and complex both are formed in the compounds have ions. So these bonds are also directional and stoichiometric. First of one, what is directional? Directional means which compounds having the bond is forms different direction. Means directional means up, down, left and right. So not we call accurate value of direction, which direction will be found. So directions, any directions will found coordinate bonds. And stereometric means the bonds are formed some angles, some directions. So particular angles and directions, the ratio we will called stereometric value. So molecule possess definite shape and definite bond. So which compounds having forms coordinates, then the particular molecules are definite shapes. Definite shape means definite bond, means definite directions of bond. So definite shape and definite bond. Angles have definite geometry, means some compounds have angles like 90 degree, some compounds angles have 40 degree, some compounds angles have 109 degree, 108 degree, means many more etc, which is found any types of bond and any types of directions and any geometric shape. We don't call all coordinate compounds are same directions and same angles and same geometric shapes. Like if compounds have tetrahedral, pentagonal, pyramidal, so this not we call a single shape. We call many shapes are forms inside the coordinate compound. So here we discussed about coordinate compounds. So our topic is coordinate compounds are finished. If you have any types of query, then you frequently ask in the question comment section.